Have you ever been judged by the way you look, the way you dress, the way you act? They assume that you're going to be a wild gangster. That's the same thing with long nail clients. A lot of people who look at clients with long nails, they always assume she is dirty. How does she wipe her butt? She probably do nothing with those long nails. First of all, you should not be worried about anyone how they wipe their butt. That's disgusting. Secondly, I'm sure people who wear long nails has figured out how to wipe their butt. I'm sure they don't just stick up their long fingernail and try to pick out their piece of poop. It doesn't work like that. And I have seen a lot of people who functions with long nail and do a lot with long nail. I have seen people who gardens with long nails. I have seen people who use the cash register with long nails, serving food with long nails, going to the gym with long nails, being in real estate with long nails, making big deals with long nails, rap music with long nails, country music with long nails, working at Foot Locker with long nails. I have seen people do it all with long nails, y'all. So y'all cannot say that they lazy. They gotta have money to have long nails because they're expensive.